Let's take a look at the trial frame and lenses. Apart from getting dirty, the lenses are often not kept in their correct slot. Let us see how to organize them. Step 1. Wipe the trial lenses with a soft lint-free cloth. Make sure that you remove all the smudge marks on the lenses. Step 2. When the lenses are thoroughly cleaned, put the trial lenses in the proper slot according to the markings on the box. This is a -1 spherical lens. As you can see, there is a -1 on the left side of the box. Here, can you see? Keep the lens in that slot. There. We now have organized the trial frame and trial lenses, ready to be used for vision testing.